I've never seen how the windshields are done. Ray's only done my windows. Today, we're gonna fix that problem. We're getting tint. Everyone's scared of the tint. Maybe I should stop yelling at my dogs. Okay, today's syllabus, today's criteria, today's addendum is window tint. We're going to dynamic tint. I'll be there in a second, talk to Ray, and you know the deal if you've seen these videos before. They're freaking awesome, just like you. Give this video a thumbs up, because you're freaking awesome, just like this video. Subscribe down below.
She doing tricks, gymnastics.
We are here. Top secret location. It's definitely not Dynamic Tint's headquarters in Williamstown, New Jersey. Tint phone number here if you need it. Honestly, I use them for everything, and we're gonna go get this done. So we're no longer fishbowling in here. That'd be nice. Before we go in there, you'll see there's something orange we just passed by. Keep watching. This, if you remember from previous videos, Ray has gotten an exhaust on, lowered it, and got these sick wheels. Oh, it looks so good like that. Next. Just found Ray, he's over in the PPF room. The vehicle in there is a 2021 Tundra TRD PRO black from Galaxy Toyota, actually, if you remember them. Oh, it's gone. Where'd the Corvette go?
Customers here to pick it up.
Oh, wow. Sweet.
Oh, you were gonna shoot it?
I was gonna get a couple pictures, it's fine. So I was gonna show you the C8. This isn't a C8, but there's a C8 in there. But it's gone. Oh, right. I'm backing this in. Ray's over in the PPF lair. I'm backing this thing in for Ray just because they're busy as hell and I'm just trying to help out. Look at that. Oh yeah. Sweet. We're live. I've never seen how the windshields are done. Ray's only done my windows. But that looks like a way more skillful act. Oh, look who's calling. Look what's done. How beautiful. Okay. Love that thing. Yeah, it's nice. It's not too dark. It's not too light. It's perfect. Give you a little walk around. I've always been so set on, and not even thinking about it, it's just, okay, what's the darkest tint you guys have? It's called XPEL Prime plus the super, super dark stuff. And I've never even thought about like going lighter. Obviously you can see through here. It's tinted to the fact where you can still see movement of what's in there. It's not just like limo tint, but right here, like with the sun glaring against it, you can barely see inside of it. Way better than before. Ooh, it's almost like it matches too from the front windshield, where that's 45, that's 20, and then we match the factory from here back. That's all factory. Got those new stickers, the reflective nude stickers. I like it. Big fan of it. Big fan of it. Ray's got this tinted out. I was thinking about doing some headlight tint too. What do you guys think? Should I do the headlight tint? I don't know. He said it's hard to do on stuff that isn't flat. I mean, this is pretty, it's pretty flat, but it bulges. So we'll have to see. He's also saying this isn't PPF. He's saying that's just a very aggressive paint line, which is interesting, but yeah. So that's that. I'm not gonna make this video too much longer than it needs to be. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little snapshot into the life of tinting this vehicle. Hopefully I gave you some clips, some good stuff. Give this video a thumbs up if you have been entertained. And if you think I went with a good choice, I think this is the better, more mature option. Whereas I normally do this black, like I can straight up see myself. You can see me right now. it looks like paint. It's just dark. Where is that? It just looks like darker tint. Now, we can't roll the windows down, so I need to remember that. And yeah, with that being said, I think we're good. We'll hop in here and head on home. I love and hate to say it, I think we're selling the Porsche today. May or may not be happening, but we'll see. So, have a nice day. What?
He's alright, he's fine.
James while he's filming. But look at this shit. This shit. Shut the fuck up.
What?
Shut up.
Who?
Shut up.
Oh, guys over there, that is.
Nah, I don't know who said it.
What was I doing? I had a cap on today. So I put the cap on and I flattened my hair out. And then from there, I kind of just left it wherever after that.
It looks like shit.
Oh shit.
Nah,
No shit.
yeah, you see the Ferrari? Oh god, he's gone. Where the fuck did he go? He turned left? Yeah, where the drugs at? Where the fucking... Where the drugs at, bro? You got anything awkward in here?
Squeegee.
I know what you do with that.
Nah, bro, cause look at this.
And I told my dad I was gonna get it. Go out there and get one. Like, look at reviews. Like, don't.
Ready to shred this winery?
Oh, we're absolutely ready to shred this
Rose.
Frozen. Yo, I dropped the location earlier. Drop it again.
You good? Yeah. Let me get one.
Welcome to Gun Thoughts.
Wait, no, hold up. Start it and then do it.